Hello friends, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to see how to decoupage on a candle for home decor. Let's see what all we need. A candle, this is 2 inch by 2 inch and 4 inch high candle. Then Mod Podge, flat brush, round brush and water. Decoupage napkin, you can choose any design. Next is hair dryer and a butter paper. We do not need any gesso, any primer or any chalk paint as a base coat for this project. Let's start. This candle I have ordered online from an art and craft website. You will get different sizes and a round shape also. For decoupage purpose you need candles of minimum 2 inch thickness, or if it is round shape minimum 2 to 3 inch diameter. Here I can see the surface is very uneven. Also this wick is quite longer. I need to cut it. Next time I will try from some other website, or I will go to the shop and get it. I'm thinking about some floral design. I'll go with this one. This looks brighter. Now I'll cut this paper. I'm not going to decoupage the whole candle. Only from the bottom part I'll try to decoupage. So whatever design I want to put, that I'll cut. And as I told in my earlier videos, this is a easiest and simple method to cut the paper whatever shape you want. Okay, now this much paper is enough. Now I'll see what will go where on my candle. Okay, now edges of this napkin are dried, so it's easy to remove the layers. Don't forget this step. This is 3-ply decoupage napkin and we need the topmost layer. And now I'm going to glue it on my candle with the help of Mod Podge. Guys, in the beginning of this video, I have told you that we don't need any gesso, any primer or any base coat of chalk paint or any other paint, because see, this is a super smooth surface, so we don't need any primer. And also we want to retain that original look of the candle, so we are not going to paint it with any other paint. The extra paper that I don't need, you can just use this wet brush method to give cuts and to remove the paper. Glue this paper properly with the help of Mod Podge and also seal the edges. Now most of you may ask that whether we can burn this candle. So guys, answer is you can burn, but it is quite risky. So I would suggest you to keep it as a decor item only. The main reason is this decoupage napkin. You know, it's just a thin paper and paper is inflammable and it may catch the fire. So if you want to burn this candle, you need to take some precautions, like first thing is use the thicker candles, as thick as possible. Next is do not decoupage the whole candle. Try to decoupage the bottom part like I am showing in this video, so that you can burn the candle till some extent only. Next is always keep the candle in a candle holder. If you have a glass candle holder or even a metal holder is also fine. See, I have cut this paper into pieces now and I'll glue it on the rest of the candle. I was telling about the candle holder. Guys, do not keep the candle directly on the table if you are going to burn it. And now the next very important thing, that do not keep the burning candle unattended if you have kids around. This paper may catch the fire, so it is very dangerous. That's why I would suggest you to keep it for home decor purpose only and not for burning. Guys, if you haven't watched my first video of basic decoupage, I would suggest you to watch it. I have told about all the materials, why we are using them and how to use them. I'll give the link in the description box. Also, for more artwork, you can follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page. For that also, I'll give the link in the description box. So those small pieces I have shown you, now I'll glue them. At times it takes time to decide what to cut, where to put and how to put. After this we'll keep it for drying for some time. Even after that we will be able to see that paper is glued to this wax candle. So how to make it look natural and how to merge this paper to the candle, that is the next step. See, this is how it looks now. Still it looks very artificial. So next step is we'll wrap around this butter paper and we'll put a sellotape around it. Now we are ready for the next step. So here is my candle. I will hold it tightly, pressing this butter paper. And now I'll use this hair dryer to melt the wax so that the decoupage napkin will get merged into the candle. This butter paper you will get in any supermarket or any grocery shop, and here it is important so that your candle will not get direct heat from this hair dryer. And try to use hair dryer only, do not use the heat gun, otherwise excess wax will get melt. It's very hot, better I'll put something. I'll take this tissue. You can see the difference, the color is changing now. Guys, see, this melted wax is falling down, so it's better to protect your hand with paper or cloth. See, here also it's falling. Guys, if you are liking this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. One by one, repeat the process from all the sides of this candle until you see the change in color. The color change, that means it's done. And do not overdo it, otherwise because of excess heat the shape of your candle may damage. Let's unwrap now. Okay, so this is how it looks now. See, the paper is got merged in the candle And see here, the lighter colors are not that visible, but the brighter and the darker ones are looking very nice. So make sure you use the brighter or dark color decoupage napkins. See here, the extra wax got melted. Hopefully I will make more candles with different shapes and sizes now. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section. And please do not forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you soon with the next video.